new windshield wipers in a matter of 2 minutes, and it is done. Bam. Okay, everybody. Amazon man left us a package. I got a good feeling I know what this is. I believe this is our windshield wipers. So right now, sun is above our head right now, so we're not gonna put these on the truck just yet. We're gonna wait till the sun goes down a little bit. We may end up washing the truck. Yeah, we may end up washing the truck. And because on the last video, guys, we didn't wash the truck, and we still have a lot of residue on the truck. As you can see, you can still kind of see the lines just a little bit, but a lot of that is going to still be glue. So that glue might come off when we get to scrub it with some good soap and cleaning solution. But we're just going to do that once we wash the truck, and we're going to put these windshield wipers on. And like I said before, this is what we look like, guys. That's no good. That's no good. So we're gonna put these on right here. Gonna put these on a little bit later on when the sun goes down, and I will see you then. Okay, guys, so we got our package from Amazon. In the last video, you know, we were actually talking about in the video last time we spoke, we got rid of the molding on the side of the doors. And this is the molding that we got rid of. This is the molding right here. This is the molding we got rid of. But in this package right here, we have another project that we got to take care of. Which is this. So OEM quality wiper blades, easy to install, smooth chatter free white, significant noise reduction, virtual streak free visibility, enhanced flexibility and grip. So if you do have a 07, if you have a 07 to a 14 Yukon XL, Denali XL, Tahoe, Sierra, Silverado, any GMC truck, any Chevy truck from those years 07 to 14, this item will work for it. This is a 22-inch, and this is a 22-inch, and this is the part number. If you guys can see that, this is the part number. And I also looked at a lot of different wiper blades to see which one I should get. And I think these were pretty decent. So I want to say I paid $18. I'm gonna get the correct price for you guys, and it wasn't much, because at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, it was like $22, $23, $24 for one blade. I have two, so for that, I'm gonna get the price for you guys. I'm gonna let you know, but it was not the price that you will see at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Napa, Union Auto Parts, any of those places. This was a good deal. And if this lasts us maybe the rest of the lifetime of the truck, that is fine, because windshield wipers are something that you don't use all the time. So that's that on that. All right, hopefully you guys can see, because it is getting on the late side, sun is going down, so usually around this time it's going to be a little bit harder to see. So what we're going to do is we're going to give ourselves a little light so you guys can see what's going on. We're going to open this box. Yep, we're going to open the box, get the blades out. Alright, here are the blades. I know we got another little piece in here probably. Yep. Also came with the rear windshield wiper, but we already got a new one. So if you go back and look at the video of how we ended up with that new wiper in the back, check that video out. But we don't need this. We'll leave that for later. We're going to open these. Yep. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. We got that. Got one of these. So we have two of these. And we have two of these. Now I'm automatically gonna assume that we can't use both of those, so it's gonna either be one or the other for this particular application. So let's just see what it says. Okay, so wiper adapter installation and removal. So we don't have an adapter on these, so we're not going to use the adapter. Alright, so we're going to open these on up. Going to open the wipers. This one. Let's get rid of some of this trash. Open this one. And let's get rid of some of this trash. Alright, so let's go ahead and see about taking these off. So I'm gonna say just pull it just like that. That might not have been the correct way to do it, but usually they come off the same way, and usually that's how they come off. So usually push them down on there, and hey, boom, they come off. And like I said, that might not have been the all the way correct way, but usually if you pull down on it, it usually comes straight off. Bam. Got those off very easy. So these are not going back on there. There's no need to save these right here. These are done. These right here, these wipers are done, guys. They are going to the trash. So back to this. So what we're gonna do is we're going to let's use, I don't think we need these adapters, guys. I don't think we're gonna need these at all. So we're gonna set those to the side. We're gonna take these right here. I'm going to take these. And we are going to, let's see, probably go this way with it. Install just like that. Snap it in. Bam. Done. We're going to do the other one the same way. We're going to put it in. Put it in just like so. Like that. See this in right here? Put that in like that. Just lay it up there like that. And snap. That's all. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put alright guys, so what we're going to do now, we're going to lift this part up as much as we can. We're going to lift this part up and we're going to slide it in and it should snap. Let me see. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh, hold up guys, I did it wrong. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take these back off and we are going to let's see how we open this. Okay, so we're gonna open this up and see if it opens up. Yep, opens up. So we're gonna take this and we actually can put it back on here. Put that back on there like so, and we're going to slide this in like that. Once it's in guys, hold on, let's get it in there. Once it's in like that, pull this down, snap in, boom, done. Do not put it down yet because this right here is going to scratch your windshield. Let's do the next one. Let's do the next one guys. And see, we did this whole procedure in a matter of maybe 2 minutes. So we're going to take this, we opened it up, we opened this little part up right here. Take this, slide it in just like so. Once you slide it in, you pull down on it just like that. Once you pull down on, push this up, push this part up, this part right here, push this part up like that. Take this piece, down it goes. They're installed, they're not coming off. So now you take this part off, take this part off so you won't scratch your windshield. Take this part off so you won't scratch your windshield. Boom, just like that. All right guys, and there you have it. New windshield wipers in a matter of 2 minutes. And it is done. Bam. And they hug the windshield pretty good. That's what you want. That is what you want. Brand new windshield wipers. Brand new, brand new, brand new. So we didn't need these adapters. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna throw these away guys. This is not going to be useful to us no time soon. We're going to throw them away. And we're going to clean up our mess. And we'll put this to the side right here. Because one day we may need this to put on the back, but not no time soon because we've already put a new wiper on the back. So guess what? We don't need it. Brand new wiper on the back. We don't need that. We're good. So Yeah. So we don't need that, but we're gonna hold on to this, guys, because we might need it one other day or something like that. We may need it. But if you like this video, you have any questions or comments about anything concerning putting windshield wipers on your 07 to 14 GMC or Chevy truck, Silverado, Denali, Yukon, Tahoe, XL, it doesn't matter. All of them are going to be 22 inches, 22 inches. As long as you can remember those two numbers, you're good. So really just remembering one number, 22 inches. So if you can remember 22 inches, both of them are going to be 22 inches. And that's going to end our video, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate y'all checking me out. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. And hey, remember, if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be doing some big things on this channel, and I don't want you guys to miss it. Make sure you turn on those post notifications. Make sure you like. Make sure you leave a comment. And hey, this is Joe of All Trades. And we out.